At Performance-Based Fire, we're a full-service fire protection firm, but we specialize in Atrium smoke control system and smoke control rational analysis. So the key part of an analysis of Atrium smoke control system is to maintain tenability for occupants. We do that through computational fire modeling efforts, and we look at the smoke layer descending in that space. Based on that design fire, we determine what the exhaust capacity and makeup air needs to be for that specific building. So there's different devices that activate the smoke control system. We have a VESDA air aspirating system at the top of the atrium, so that's picking up most of the products of combustion that would occur in this space. Water flow switches zoned with the atrium also activate the smoke control system. Once one of those devices kicks, the fire alarm system picks it up, it transmits it to the smoke control panel, and what we'll see first is the exterior doors open. So the doors reach their open status, and then the smoke control fans then ramp up shortly thereafter, right about the minute mark. All that was coordinated with part of our fire modeling process to make sure that tenability and life safety is maintained throughout the building.